Me. Welcome back to Daytime Live. Now, as I said earlier, we are joined by rising dancehall artist Projexx. Welcome, sir.
Greetings.
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 Okay.
Projects.
I'm cool, I'm cool.
Listen, I'm cool now.
Cool is that greetings.
Like,
Like what?
my old fridge, I can't hold it. You gotta talk. No, in the break, Projects was talking to me and I yelled him. I was like, yeah, man, no fear, everything good, my general. I'm all right. And as soon as he saw me, Shane, he was like, hey, what's up? How you doing? Boss it,
I have to greet the lady. Right.
I agree, Projexx. Thank you for that. I appreciate that. So tell us about your stage name, Projexx. How did that come about?
You know, as a schoolmate gave me that name. So it's like I started music early, you know what I mean? And I would refer to a body of work as a project. You know, when you're doing music, like you refer to it as a project. So I'd be like, yo, like you must say, yo, bro, I could touch the road now. I say, yo, bro, you know, America, I'm a project. And I must say, yo, if you just name Projects and then, you know. And then I write it down on a piece of paper, Projects, and then like I write it down and it's like it never really connected me. Drop to expand it and then I say, alright, then it's a vibe and it stick since, you know what I mean?
It's a vibe.
But yeah, big up job, alright.
Hey, I like it.
Yeah, we like that.
I like it.
Now, you're son of producer John, and he is reggae and dancehall royalty. And you're also grandson of the legendary King Jammy.
Yes.
Listen,
Yes.
what have you taken from them and you have incorporated it into your music and your work ethic?
Well,
Good question.
I'd say for one, the quality, also the love and the passion, I would say, and I derive from them. It's something basically embedded in my DNA, you know what I mean? From the lineage of King. So it's just, my grandfather is a man where like him wanting things done right. You know what I mean? And it's like, he's a perfectionist. So it's like, I adapt that from him. I'm a father as well, you know what I mean? I'm just try to put my music in every song. I'm gonna make me try approach it a way where like the quality is gonna be on a high caliber, you know what I mean?
Gotcha. So do you feel, because I mean you have such legends in your genealogy, if you like, do you feel pressure that you have such big shoes to fill? And how do you plan on keeping the legacy going?
No, there's no pressure, you know what I mean? I just gotta continue the legacy, you know what I mean? And also build my legacy during
That's
that,
right,
you know what I mean?
that's
It's no pressure, man. It's all fun and all vibes, you know what I mean? I think this is what I was born to do, you know what I mean? So, yeah, I'm just doing.
Love it.
All right, Papa.
Love it.
What's the project sound when persons hear you? What it is they're gonna feel? What it will come to mind? What's your sound?
I can't really give you a definitive answer. I would more like to say like it's more of a fusion, you know what I mean? It's a mixture of a lot of things because I'm inspired by everything, every genre, every type of music, you know what I mean? And you can have two Guinness bottles right now, you knock it together and have a sound and you get inspired by it, you know. I can get inspired by a conversation, anything at all, you know what I mean? So like it's just a mixture of everything, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
From it sound good to me and quality up, I'm with it, you know what I
Okay.
mean? It's no specific type of music.
So speaking of different genres and different types of music, you've made an appearance on African pop star Wizkid's Made in Lagos album.
Yeah.
Tell us
Yeah.
about how this song came about.
So a friend of mine from England called Corinne, big up Corinne anyway, she introduced me to this producer called Jules, and he was telling Corinne that he wants me on his album. So he sent a couple tracks over. This was during the lockdown, the first lockdown ever. This is when Corona was just a thing, and he sent me a couple tracks and I recorded them. I sent it back over. I didn't think of it as nothing. Then a couple months passed, and then I said, "Wizkid follow me." You know what I mean? I was kind of confused. I didn't know what was the reason. And then he post me on his story with along with this artist called Tayiwar. He was a part of the song True Love. And Jules had hit me up and be like, "Yo, bro, you're on the album." And I'm like, "What album?" And he's like, "Wizkid album." I'm like, "Wow." You know what I mean? So it's like, so basically I did my verse and sent it over, and then Wiz linked up with Jules, and he was playing some stuff that he had, and True Love was one of them, and he was like, yo, I need this one for my album, and the rest was history, you know what I mean?
Excellent. I love it. On album, I don't
But
even
you
know.
have a single out called Under Pressure, and
Yeah.
it's featuring Toyan. That's how her name is
Yes.
pronounced.
Yes.
No, we can't play it, for our daytime live audience. But tell us why viewers should head over to all the streaming platforms to listen to this song.
All right. First of all, this song is a very special song for me because one of my schoolmates called Castanera Music, I started music with him from high school. The first song I ever put out was with him, you know what I mean? And he made that beat, and we did a camp, a music camp, and we had some producers there and stuff, and I had that beat for a while and I couldn't find anything on it, and then one day, I was like, yo, let me just do something on it, and I found something mad, but we needed a girl vocal, and I played it to Toyan, we made her link up, and in less than 5 minutes, she find her verse, and the rest was history, you know what I mean? Smooth, sailing song, Afro, little bit of dancehall, little bit of this, little bit of that. Nice jam, you know what I mean? So check it out.
Lovely.
Under Pressure.
Under Pressure, I like it.
And
Yeah.
what platforms can persons find it on?
YouTube, Spotify, Apple Music.
Excellent. And what you have such a interesting, unique name, but what is your social media handle? How can we all find you?
It's Projexx Music on IG and Twitter and Facebook as well.
Gotcha.
And TikTok.
And okay.
And remember
Are you doing
saying-
the antics on TikTok as well? You over there doing stuff?
I'm not doing no TikTok, I'm doing videos
Okay, gotcha.
on TikTok. Yes.
Project. Right as the interview we finish, you have the whole world at watch star. Misha, you know, so a curveball.
It said just to clarify.
Hey, hold on, I
am not.
Clarifying.
I am not
TikToking on
TikToking.
TikToking. It's just videos.
I appreciate that.
Brother, all the best. All the best. I thank you for joining us.
I love it.
Bless up. Bless
Later
up.
live, we'll be right back with a vibe and a music video from Yendri and Damian Marley. So, fall back, you see all of that.